Bitcoin SV value equivalent to 913.97 rands a coin. The present cost range, 866.44. 981.01. The earlier day close, 915.28. The change was 1.31. 0.14%. Backwards rate, ZAR to BSV. Bitcoin SV cost expectation for. In the not-so-distant future and month, Bitcoin SV cost expectation on Monday, July 3, cost 1038 rands, high 1111, low 965. Bitcoin SV conjecture on Tuesday, July 4, cost 1178 rands, high 1260, low 1096. Bitcoin SV cost expectation on Wednesday, July 5, cost 1238 rands, high 1325, low 1151. Bitcoin SV conjecture on Thursday, July 6, cost 1209 rands, high 1294, low 1124. Bitcoin SV cost expectation on Friday, July 7, cost 1177 rands, high 1259, low 1095. In multi-week Bitcoin SV estimate on Monday, July 10, cost 1294 rands, high 1385, low 1203. Bitcoin SV cost forecast on Tuesday, July 11, cost 1187 rands, high 1270, low 1104. Bitcoin SV estimate on Wednesday, July 12, cost 1318 rands, high 1410, low 1226. Bitcoin SV cost forecast on Thursday, July 13, cost 1529 rands, high 1636, low 1422. Bitcoin SV estimate on Friday, July 14, cost 1485 rands, high 1589, low 1381. In about 14 days Bitcoin SV cost forecast on Monday, July 17, cost 1623 rands, high 1737, low 1509. Bitcoin SV estimate on Tuesday, July 18, cost 1658 rands, high 1774, low 1542. Bitcoin SV cost forecast on Wednesday, July 19, cost 1648 rands, high 1763, low 1533. Bitcoin SV estimate on Thursday, July 20, cost 1612 rands, high 1725, low 1499. Bitcoin SV cost forecast on Friday, July 21, cost 1589 rands, high 1700, low 1478. In 3 weeks Bitcoin SV figure on Monday, July 24, cost 1597 rands, high 1709, low 1485. Bitcoin SV cost expectation on Tuesday, July 25, cost 1655 rands, high 1771, low 1539. Bitcoin SV figure on Wednesday, July 26, cost 1569 rands, high 1679, low 1459. Bitcoin SV cost expectation on Thursday, July 27, cost 1544 rands, high 1652, low 1436. Bitcoin SV figure on Friday, July 28, cost 1504 rands, high 1609, low 1399. In about a month Bitcoin SV cost expectation on Monday, July 31, cost 1493 rands, high 1598, low 1388. Bitcoin SV figure on Tuesday, August 1, cost 1280 rands, high 1370, low 1190. Bitcoin SV value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Bitcoin SV cost expectation for November 2023. Initially cost at 2123 rands, excessive cost 2164, while low cost 1880. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 2047. Bitcoin SV cost figure toward the month's end 2022, change for November 4.8%. Bitcoin SV gauge for December 2023. To start with cost at 2022 rands, exorbitant cost 2196, while low cost 1908. The found the middle value of cost 2045. Bitcoin SV cost gauge toward the month's end 2052, change for December 1.5%. Bitcoin SV cost expectation for January 2024. To start with cost at 2052 rands, exorbitant cost 2229, while low cost 1937. The found the middle value of cost 2075. Bitcoin SV cost gauge toward the month's end 2083, change for January 1.5%. Bitcoin SV gauge for February 2024. To start with cost at 2083 rands, exorbitant cost 2378, while low cost 2066. The found the middle value of cost 2187. Bitcoin SV cost gauge toward the month's end 2222. Change for February 6.7%. Bitcoin SV cost expectation for WAC 2024. To start with cost at 2222 rands. Exorbitant cost 2280. While low cost 1982. The found the middle value of cost 2154. Bitcoin SV cost gauge toward the month's end 2131. Change for spring 4.1%. Bitcoin SV gauge for April 2024. In the first place cost at 2131 rands. Exorbitant cost 2317. While low cost 2013. The found the middle value of cost 2157. Bitcoin SV cost gauge toward the month's end 2165. Change for April 1.6%. Bitcoin SV cost expectation for May 2024. First and foremost cost at 2165 rands. Exorbitant cost 2287. While low cost 1987. The found the middle value of cost 2144. Bitcoin SV cost estimate toward the month's end 2137. Change for May 1.3%. Bitcoin SV estimate for June 2024. First and foremost cost at 2137 rands. Excessive cost 2287. While low cost 1987. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 2137. Bitcoin SV cost conjecture toward the month's end 2137. Change for June 0.0%. Bitcoin SV cost expectation for July 2024. Before all else cost at 2137 rands. Excessive cost 2137. While low cost 1739. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 1971. Bitcoin SV cost conjecture toward the month's end 1870. Change for July 12.5%. Bitcoin SV conjecture for August 2024. Before all else cost at 1870 rands. Excessive cost 2248. While low cost 1870. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 2022. Bitcoin SV cost conjecture toward the month's end 2101. Change for August 12.4%. Bitcoin SV cost expectation for September 2024. Before all else cost at 2101 rands. Excessive cost 2403. While low cost 2089. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 2210. Bitcoin SV cost conjecture toward the month's end 2246. Change for September 6.9%. Bitcoin SV conjecture for October 2024. At the outset cost at 2246 rands. Excessive cost 2442. While low cost 2122. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 2273. Bitcoin SV cost conjecture toward the month's end 2282. Change for October 1.6%. Bitcoin SV cost expectation for November 2024. At the outset cost at 2282 rands. Excessive cost 2481. While low cost 2157. The arrived at